Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about another ad format, which is going to be follower ads. Follower ads is another type of an ad format on LinkedIn, which you can use, which is primarily useful to encourage people to follow your LinkedIn or showcase page. So these ads can be tailored to each member and they feature their profile photo next to your company's logo, plus their first name and your company name in the ad copy. So this way, we are trying to create a strong connection between the user and our company. And we entice people with the help of this, you can entice people to follow your company page or your LinkedIn page specifically. So this really helps to generate more followers for your company page on LinkedIn. And that can eventually help in generating more sales and leads because now these followers are going to receive all the feeds, content, when you start posting content on your company page, all your followers get your feeds and they can interact with it. They can check out your website. They can check out your products and services and buy it from you. So this is how a follower ad can be used. Primary intent of this ad copy is to generate more followers for our company page on LinkedIn. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next week.